Setting up a blog in GoDaddy Website Builder starts with accessing your dashboard. Navigate to the main menu and look for the Add section or Pages option. When you select the Blog option, GoDaddy automatically creates a dedicated blog page for your website. This gives you a centralized location for all your blog content. To create your first blog post, click Add Post in the blog management area. Every effective blog post needs several essential elements for success. Featured images are crucial for blog engagement. The optimal size is 1200 by 630 pixels, which ensures your images look professional across all devices and social media platforms. Categories help organize your content thematically. Aim for 5 to 10 main categories maximum and create subcategories for more specific topics. This keeps your blog organized and helps readers find relevant content easily. With these steps completed, your GoDaddy blog is ready for content creation. You now have a dedicated blog page, understand the essential post elements, and have organized your categories for optimal content management.